Hey tech enthusiasts! Big news on the horizon. The Redmi Note 14 5G has just popped up on the IMEI database, and it looks like it's gearing up for a September launch. So, let's dive into what we know so far. The Redmi Note 14 series is expected to include 3 models: the standard Redmi Note 14, the Pro, and the Pro Plus. But today we're focusing on the Redmi Note 14 5G. Spotted by Gizmo China, the model number 24094 RAD4G is associated with the Redmi Note 14 5G. The G here indicates that it's the global variant. While the IMEI listing doesn't spill all the beans, it strongly suggests an imminent launch. Yep, that means we could see it as soon as next month. So, what can we expect? Rumor has it the Redmi Note 14 5G will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset. And get this, it's also tipped to support 45W fast charging. Another exciting upgrade is the 5K AMOLED display, a step up from the FHD panel seen on the Redmi Note 13. Camera buffs, you'll want to hear this. The Redmi Note 14 5G could feature a 50MP primary camera. And joining it will be the Pro model with a brand new camera module design. This time it's centered and slightly curved on the sides. Unlike the sharp side-sitting module of the Note 13, expect a triple camera setup on this one, possibly with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset and 90W fast charging. But what about the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus? Well, details are still under wraps, but it's expected to be the top-tier model in the series. So mark your calendars for September. Xiaomi hasn't officially teased the new phones yet, but all signs point to a launch next month. Stay tuned for more updates. And that's a wrap, folks. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in the next one.